Welcome to another video. This one we're going to be doing set 75373 Ambush on Mandalore Battle Pack, which comes with Mandalorian Warrior, Mandalorian Night Owl and 2 Imperial Commandos, which is cool, and a little kind of side build with rocks and stuff. And it looks like you can make it look as if they're flying, which is very cool. So there you go. And we got a little shooter as well. So that's awesome. I thought I'd just pick this set up. Why not, you know? Ambush on Mandalore Battle Pack 75373, 109 pieces, 2024. Fly into jetpack battles on Mandalore. Patrol the cave with the Mandalorian Night Owl and Mandalorian Warrior. But beware, the Imperial Commandos are ready to launch an ambush attack with their jetpacks, blaster pistols and stud shooting cannon. Use the Mandalorian Warriors, blasters and jetpacks to fight back. Who will triumph? It's up to you. Okay, cool. The box is rather nice. It's a little bit dull actually, you know, when I look at other boxes, but whatever. Seems a little bit dull. Don't know why. On the side you've got this little print, which is cool. That's to show the one-to-one size. And then on the back you've got like different pose where you can use the plastic rod to pose them. So yeah, let's get on with it. Give it a go. Nice little battle pack to add to collections. Where's the hello thumbprints? Where are you? Where are you, thumbs? Thumbs? Hello, thumbs? No thumbs? There we go. Okay. Can I? Bought one of these just to do a build on. I'm not bothering to collect stuff like this because it's not, I don't think it's worth collecting. If you want battle packs to build droid trooper armies, clone armies, then this is a good little set for you. We've got 2 bags, 2 plates and a kind of corner plate, and those are for the helmets. So let's open it all up. We've got minifigs 4, so I need to be careful, okay, of the heads, because the heads roll. Okay, GG. Okay, nice. What the heck is all the old jetpacks? Good job, cool. Right. So it's mainly the minifigs, well, I suppose obviously because it's a battle pack, but yeah. Okay, cool. Everything opened, everything ready to go. Let's start the speed build. I'll see you in a minute. Alright then, okay, so finished, but I have no idea how Lego have done this, because they've got this pointing this way and this like that. Well, that don't work unless you want to just stick him up there. It's like, what? Because you've got like clips here. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, who knows, but according to this, unless you can really, no, doesn't work. So that's very interesting. Thanks for that. What we do is we have to kind of move him around. I mean, it's okay, it's not a problem. Okay, so let's have a look-see. We got this guy over here, and we got his shooter over here. So that's kind of cool. And we got spare ammo, which is always cool, and a box with detonators in it. Okay, so let me show you I mean, this is the setup. Also, this, look, if you look at him, the thing on the side of his helmet does not work because the set hits here, but in the picture it doesn't. So well done, Lego, thanks for that. False. But whatever, I could maybe tilt him or something forwards, but he looks a little bit ridiculous. There we go. So he's tilted a little bit, you can turn him around. Okay, he's trying to shoot these guys, this guy's trying to shoot him. If you can't hit him there, then there's something wrong with him. Not a very good shot. Okay, that's cool. So nice little set, nice little play set. I love the minifigs. I don't know what, I just really enjoy minifigs, but they're cool. You've got the two different here, and these are both the same. So like one of these is the boss, I'm assuming commander or something, but they are slightly different masks on the helmet, different torsos. There is a hidden gun around here, which is good. There's a pulse rifle, I think that's what they call it. This is the DL44, and this is the E44, I can't remember. But yeah, I kind of like this set. It's, you know, it is what it is. Little clip on the side there, maybe you can clip another or make this part of something else, but we'll clip two together, whatever you want to do. Got a few parts left. Oh, and let me show the figures now. I'll take the guns away. Okay, so these are quite nice. I mean, they've all got these black faces, but there's print on the torso, on the legs, and the arms are kind of like grey with the white hands, which is nice, and the helmet is cool, grey and black with white. And then on the back you've got actually a spare one as well, so you've got one of these, which is in his backpack, so that forms that's printed as well, which is nice. So these two are the same, so there's no point showing you that one. This guy, okay, so he has got some nice prints on him, to be honest. Yeah, he's got some battle scarring on his helmet there in the corner, you probably can't see it. This part, which just gets in the way, I know people are moaning about the fact that these helmets have got these two holes, but it doesn't bother me. Like I say, with everything is what it is. You've got printing on the torso on the front, also on the legs. I like the detail of the printing, it's very, very cool. Not sure if there is on the back, I didn't really look, I don't think there is, there shouldn't be. Oh, there is, wow. So the continuation of his belt and the back, which you can't see because all of this is over the top of it, but whatever. It's nice that that has the print, and the helmet is nicely printed as well. So yeah, like that, it's really good. Cool, so here's him. Let's put his gun back in his hand. Never trust. Okay, so that's that one, and then I'm presuming this is the commander. I'm not up on all this, so you can tell me maybe in the comments, but he's the leader because he's got the marks on the top of the helmet, like the two lines going off. Plus he's got slightly different, if I look, compare the two, he's got a different torso, he's got different leg prints, and he's got different helmet prints. So it's quite nice when you look at these two together. It's nice that they've actually added that detail. So they are different. So don't be putting the wrong body on the wrong legs and all that. You have to check that as you're putting it together, like I did. But yeah, very, very cool little battle pack. I kind of like it. Let's put them back in, pose them up, and I mean, you can do what you want with these, but I'm just kind of like this. This is how it is on the box, okay? So don't blame me, blame Lego. Right, so there's that one, and then this guy stands up here, which is a bit unfortunate with that in the way. There we go, he's there, that's cool. Maybe better if he's got his gun in his right hand, which is probably correct. Yeah, I just put it back in the wrong hand. Right, sorry if I'm mumbling. Didn't get much sleep last night. I was playing Lego Fortnite, and I've been slowly doing the expert world. I'm in no rush. You've probably noticed I never rush anything. But yeah, I managed to get the expert mode. I've got 2 of the trophies now. I've only played it a few times. I think 3 game sessions I've played. But yeah, I'll best show you this shooting, I suppose. So there you go. Oh, bye bye, never find that again. GG's. And then you just reload it. Okay, and then in here I've put this on top of it just because it was spare, but inside you've got the thermal detonators. There was supposed to be 1, but they gave you a spare one, so I put both in, and they got a little print on them as well, as per normal. You probably can't even see it because my finger's too big, but that's there. Close the box, and that's for him. So that's cool. You can put that on top as well, so we don't lose them. Alright, so that's it. That's the one set, all finished, built up. We will put on display, and I'm going to build another one now, because why not? Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment. Did you buy this? Do you want to buy this? I mean, it's, what do you think? I mean, it's okay, you know, it's nothing special, but it's okay. We can kind of move this guy around a little bit, which is kind of cool. So, because he's on a ball joint. So yeah, I kind of like that side of things. Playability and all that. Whooshability. There's no need to whoosh anything with this, but I like the details. I love the minifigs are cool. The rock displays, it's okay, it's alright, it's something. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.